Welcome to this custom Craftsman home in the coveted Arbor Summit neighborhood. It's conveniently located near shopping, parks, and just one block from Alberta Ryder Elementary School. Discover new Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, custom built-ins around the gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and an abundance of natural light. The kitchen features granite counters, cherry cabinets, stainless appliances, a 5-burner gas cooktop, a butler's pantry, and wine cooler. Relax among the trees from the custom-built deck, where you can take in territorial views. You'll find architectural details throughout, from Craftsman pillars to beautiful wainscoting and crown molding. Enjoy the main-level master suite, where you have direct access to the deck, a perfect place for morning coffee or tea. The master bath features a dual-sink vanity, jetted tub, and large shower, plus a walk-in closet. The striking cherry and wrought iron banister leads to the expansive upper level. You'll find 3 more large bedrooms in this home of more than 2,900 square feet, and double doors open to an oversized bonus room. The recently refinished custom deck with a wrought iron railing overlooks the private fenced yard. Other features include automatic exterior sprinklers, central air, central vacuum, and a 3-car garage. A gorgeous Craftsman home in a sought-after neighborhood. It's move-in ready and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Greg Carnese with Premier Property Group at 503-998-4135.